composite sketch of the guy that's wanted for yesterday's murder of the little girl.
In 1992, 4 years after an unthinkable murder rocked Philadelphia, police announced they found the killer and that he'd confessed. His name was Walter Ogrod, a single 27-year-old truck driver who once lived across the street from 4-year-old Barbara Jean Horn.
He let that poor little baby just lie there, and if that's not intent to kill, maybe I haven't seen it yet.
Prosecutors were seeking the death penalty. Ogrod claimed that he was innocent and that detectives coerced a false confession from him. The little girl's parents were outraged. How did you feel to hear him describe that story?
Angry.
I wanted him dead. I did.
Did you kill Barbara Jean Horn?
No, I did not. I did not do anything to that child at all.
The jury didn't believe him, and Ogrod was found guilty and sentenced to die. Did you look at the jury?
Yeah, and they're like they stone-faced. They're like, yeah, we want to just get rid of you.
5 years later, he wrote a letter to a journalist named Tom Lowenstein, imploring him to investigate his case. Lowenstein was stunned by what he discovered.
I thought I was plucking a little bit of a weed, and the more I pulled, the more of this tree just keeps coming up and coming up.
There is a systemic pattern of unbridled misconduct in the city of Philadelphia, and it shocks the conscience.
Civil rights attorney Amelia Green says the city's corrupt criminal justice system has ensnared Walter Ogrod and countless others.
And I found another case from the exact same time period where another man is claiming that he is innocent. And so then you keep digging and you find another one.
In 2017, Philadelphia's newly elected district attorney Larry Krasner hired Patricia Cummings to lead a revamped conviction integrity unit. They found police and prosecutors lied and hid evidence. When I spoke with Cummings, she made an extraordinary admission rarely heard from a prosecutor. So what are you asking the court to do?
We are asking the court to vacate the conviction because we believe that the conviction as it stands is a gross miscarriage of justice.
But would that be enough to free Walter Ogrod?
Oh, Craig, it raises so many questions. And we were there, by the way, when Ogrod finally walked free. It's a moment you won't want to miss.
My goodness, what a remarkable story. And it looks like Ogrod's story is just one of several there.
That's the troubling thing.
In Philadelphia. Lester, thanks as always, my man. Thank you, thank you. And by the way, you can see the investigation. It's part of the NBC News Justice for All series. That's tonight, 10 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock Central here on NBC.